In today's bustling world, where digital connectivity often dominates, there's a growing hunger for local connections and personalized services. Enter the realm of local service side hustles, where the opportunities are as diverse as the communities they serve. Whether you have a knack for caring for pets, a passion for teaching, or a talent for fixing things, there's a niche awaiting for you to fill. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the lucrative world of local service side hustles, uncovering the strategies and tactics to help you thrive in your community. 1. Pet sitting. Pet ownership is on the rise, and with it comes the demand for reliable pet sitters. Dive into the world of pet sitting, from establishing your reputation to setting competitive rates. Learn the importance of building trust with pet owners and delivering exceptional care to furry companions. Explore creative ways to expand your services, such as dog walking, pet grooming, or overnight stays. 2. Tutoring. Education is a cornerstone of society, and tutoring offers a rewarding way to make a difference in your community. Discover the keys to becoming a sought-after tutor, from identifying your strengths to tailoring your approach to meet the needs of each student. Explore different tutoring niches, such as academic subjects, test preparation, or language learning. Learn how to market your services effectively and build long-lasting relationships with students and parents. 3. Handyman work. From leaky faucets to squeaky doors, there's no shortage of household tasks in need of attention. Dive into the world of handyman work, where your skills and expertise can save the day for busy homeowners. Learn how to showcase your abilities through a professional portfolio and word-of-mouth referrals. Explore the importance of clear communication, transparent pricing, and punctuality in building a loyal customer base. 4. Home cleaning. A clean home is a happy home, but not everyone has the time or inclination to tackle household chores. Explore the ins and outs of starting a home cleaning side hustle, from gathering essential supplies to perfecting your cleaning techniques. Discover the importance of attention to detail, reliability, and discretion in exceeding your clients' expectations. Learn how to leverage technology to streamline scheduling, payments, and customer communication. 5. Personal chef services. In a world where convenience is king, personal chef services offer a tantalizing solution for busy individuals and families. Unlock the secrets to culinary success, from menu planning and grocery shopping to meal preparation and presentation. Explore different dietary preferences and restrictions, from vegan and gluten-free to keto and paleo. Learn how to create a memorable dining experience that keeps clients coming back for more. In the ever-evolving landscape of side hustles, local services stand out as a beacon of opportunity. Whether you're a pet lover, a teacher at heart, or a jack of all trades, there's a niche waiting for you to carve out your place in the community. By harnessing the power of trust, reliability, and exceptional service, you can turn your passion into profit and make a meaningful impact on the lives of those around you. So roll up your sleeves, tap into your talents, and unleash the full potential of your local service side hustle. Your community awaits.